Creating the perfect table covering is now as easy as 1, 2, 3. The tabbed layout of the designer creates an easy step-by-step process for designing the perfect table covering for your next event. Once you've landed within our designer tool, you will see that the first tab is for your product options. Here you can expect to see things like color and more specific product details, for example, style or table size within our table throw designer. Choose your desired color from the preset options or use the color picker tool. Here you can insert RGB or hex code values. Once you choose a color, you will see it render into the 2D preview of your product. After you've made your selections on the Options tab, move down to the Text tab. Here you can add multiple areas of text by clicking the Add Text button. Simply type your text in the box, and then choose your desired font style. Use the style controls below to adjust your text as desired. Bold, italics, alignment, stroke, and font color options can all be found here. Font color and stroke also have a color picker like the one seen in the Options tab. To move your text box, simply click and drag. You can also hover over the corners to drag to resize, and hover over the rotate icon to rotate your text box. To add additional text boxes, simply click Add Text again, and a new form will pop up. You can click Back to Text List to see a list of your text elements and delete or make edits. You can also use the arrows to toggle between text elements. Helpful tip when adding text or graphic elements. Use the guides on the 2D layout to help align your elements within the different areas of the table cover. Also, be sure to rotate your elements to have them display properly on the cover when in use. For example, elements on the left or right side should be rotated 90 degrees, and elements on the back should be rotated 180 degrees. If you do not have any text elements to add, you could simply skip this step. After finalizing text, move on down to the Graphics tab. Here you can add graphical elements to your table covering. Click the Add a Graphic button. A placeholder image will appear in the 2D rendering. The designer accepts a large selection of file types for your convenience. Click Upload Photos, and then Browse to select your image file. If you are signed in with a Displays to Go account and have used the designer before, your previously uploaded images will be saved in the My Art section. Helpful tip: to be sure your background color shows through, upload a PNG, EPS, or AI file with a transparent background. Your image can be positioned to cover the entire surface of the cloth, or resized to fit your desired design. Some additional tools are available to help with controlling your text and graphic elements. The Move tool allows incremental moves up, down, left, and right. The Scale tool allows incremental sizing changes up and down. The Rotate tool allows incremental angle adjustments. The Crop tool allows cropping of your uploaded image. The Layering tool is very important for arranging your text and graphic elements on your canvas. The Move Forward and Move Backward options are helpful for moving forward or backward a single layer with each click. The Delete tool deletes your selected element. Alternatively, the Delete key on your keyboard can be used. When you've finished creating your table cover, or if you want to take a peek anytime during the design process to see how your design will look in real life, click the Preview Design button. Here you will get multiple angle views of your masterpiece. If you have something specific you want us to be made aware of, use the Order Note tab to send us a message. This is a great place to communicate things like required Pantone color matching for vector graphics, text, or background color. Now add your creation to the cart. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on our new designer tool.